Oh, what's up, mama? What you? Oh, hell no, who you, man? What you doing touching me, man? I'm gone, man. Get your hand on my face. Get your hand on my face. I ought to bite these shoes out, too. I'm going to put a hole in your shoes. What? I ain't doing nothing.
That's what I thought.
Hey, let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. All right, Junior, it's time to go. Go tell your friends goodbye now. What? Hell no. Who the hell you think you talking to? I don't care if you ain't ready to go. You better slide your fat ass down there and tell Bobo, Nub, and Julie that your daddy said it's time for you to get your ass out the pool before I go round.
Hell no. What happened out there? Man, it's cold, man. I ain't going out there. Come on. No, that's all right. I ain't going out there. No, I ain't going out there. I'm gonna pee inside. Just close the door. Come on. No, I ain't going out there. I ain't going out there, man. Close the door. Come on. Hell no. Close the door, man. Close the door. Oh, just close it. Oh, I gotta pee though. I gotta pee. I ain't going out there, man. No. All right, man. God, leave, man. This go.
You look so cute.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Just.
My,
She's actually making a snowball.
that is hilarious.
Duncan. Duncan.
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit. Speels, right? Watch.
so I can take you outside.
Again, use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
That would be my big fat ass. That shit tastes good. I don't give a damn what nobody said.
Oi.
I'm free! I'm free! Dang it!
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come on and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
Alright, go back down. Martin. Martin.
Safada.
We're gonna have a picnic. Oh god.
Waffles! Waffles! I know. You have new friends, but...
Stop. Shut up.
She hates when Dad does this to Mom.
Come on. Stay.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt your afternoon squirrel patrol. I need to ask you a quick question. How does it feel to be deemed inherently aggressive? Can't be trusted around children. Can't be trusted around other dogs.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you think of me? How hard this is for me?
I'm hungry.
Oh, you.
This is some fucking National Geographic shit. Ma, call the fucking cops or the ASPCA!
I gotcha! Oh, you win this round. Moo! 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 A mooey! You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun forever and ever and ever. And Moo! Moo!